Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into trending products and help you decide what's worth your money. Today we're checking out a sleek, space-saving solution for your entertainment setup. The 3-in-1 TV wall mount and floating shelves kit from Pkuyres. This kit is designed to work with TVs from 37 inches all the way up to 75 inches and supports up to 154 pounds. But what sets it apart is that it's not just a mount. It includes two stylish wooden floating shelves that complete the look. Let's kick things off with the design. Out of the box, you'll find a solid wall mount bracket and two wooden shelves that feel surprisingly premium. The finish is clean, the construction is durable, and the entire kit feels like a single cohesive unit when mounted. The bracket supports VISA patterns up to 600 by 400 mm, which means it's compatible with most modern TVs. And with a maximum tilt angle of 15 degrees, you can adjust the screen to your preferred viewing angle without any hassle. Mounting the TV is straightforward. The instructions are clear, and all the necessary hardware is included. The bracket allows the TV to sit just 1.9 inches from the wall, giving it that flush, low-profile look that people love. It looks especially nice in rooms where aesthetics matter, like your living room, bedroom, or even a home office setup. Now let's talk about the real bonus, the floating shelves. Each one measures just under 19 inches wide and about 8 inches deep. They can handle up to 44 pounds each, which is more than enough for your gaming consoles, soundbars, routers, or even some decorative pieces. What's great is you can stack them, place them side by side, or install them separately. That flexibility means you can customize your space depending on how you want your gear laid out. Maybe you want one shelf under the TV and one beside it, totally up to you. Installation-wise, the mount and shelves work with concrete, brick, or wood stud walls. The manufacturer clearly says not to mount directly on drywall unless you're hitting a stud, so you'll want to check your wall type before you start drilling. Stud spacing from 16 to 24 inches is supported, which covers most standard home builds. Just grab your stud finder and a drill and you're good to go. A small but thoughtful detail is cable management. While there's no built-in system, the low-profile design and floating shelves make it easy to route and hide cables behind the TV and furniture. With a bit of planning, you can get that clean, wire-free look without too much effort. This setup isn't just for home theaters either. If you've got a game room, dorm room, or a smaller apartment, this combo offers a great way to save space while still getting a modern, functional setup. And the shelves really help reduce clutter. No need for bulky furniture or stands that take up floor space. So what's the verdict? The Pkuyres 3-in-1 TV wall mount and floating shelves kit nails the basics. Solid build, great compatibility, easy setup, and throws in some really nice extras with the shelves. If you're after a clean, minimalistic TV setup with flexibility and function, this kit is definitely worth checking out. That wraps it up for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next critique. This is Product Critique, and we'll catch you in the next one.